Guys, it's been a while since I recorded, so I'm just gonna go here and record a D-back trade. I'm gonna make a look. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you, but let me pause this video. Okay, sorry. Alright. Okay, sorry. No, okay, go. I'm gonna D-back trade. I meant red trade with gray and pink kisses. She's super sweet. I traded with her before. And I don't know if she still had this. What? Did you quit? What? She's not mean. She's sweet. She's sweet, guys. She's not mean. She's scam free, by the way. I did trade with her before. It just, I guess people were on her art book a lot. And I guess mine is somewhere in the bottom. But I traded with this girl before. She is so scam free. So guys, please go friend her and spam her art book saying, guest book saying scam free. She's super sweet and kind. Okay, let's see. Say hi to YouTube. Then I'm gonna see if I could trade with this girl. RT and say hi to YouTube. Cause it's legit been a while since the last I recorded. This has been awfully a lot, so I don't know. Say hi to YouTube. Knowing her, she's probably gonna say sure and hey. Oh, okay. Let's see what I want from her. She got a lot of things that I want, but hola. I gotta say it. YouTube loves you. There's been a special. What I want is a Miss Goalie or at least Sir Brett. Any of them. YouTube. YouTube loves you. And guys, my channel is Paula Nicole. I have 76 subscribers. Please subscribe. Help me get to 100 subscribers. Even though I'm being patient here. Well, trying to. Ooh, this is cute. I want to try to get something really cute. Like, where really cute. Also, Penny Gray doesn't have deeper somewhere. Girl, what happened? Alright, let's get, a stripy, yes. In that color or in a different color? I think you only have a stripy in that color. Shame. I don't mind though. Alright, dumplings and a half for a while. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually a pretty color. Look at that. Like, guys, look how pretty that is. This girl used to have so much Deepak. Actually has so much more than me. I was actually, cough, I gotta say it, jealous. Cause I wanted so much Deepaks. And I was, actually jealous. But my point is, one of these. these. And I will put in a caption right here. If not, it's okay. Because, you know, I understand when people, like, when they say no to me or they're like, sorry, you know, I understand. Because when I rare trade or deep high trade with someone, I will understand that they don't want to trade it. I fully understand that. Alright, let's see what I want from her. She sent me the art book. And I'm about to tell her, if you want, you can make a look of me, see what you want. Cool channel. Ooh, thank you. One sec. She doesn't even know I'm recording, but yeah. Okay. Ooh, I don't know. I already have a soubrette dress, but it's pretty cool to have a black or a white soubrette dress. But what I want, basically what I want from her is, the pirate dress and this bunny hair. No, I'm just gonna text her. Bunny hair or the pirate dress. I don't know. This girl, I gotta say hi. Say hi to you too. Alright, where's she? I want the bunny hair. That's one. Hey, you two, I need to clean my bathroom. You two loves you. I say that to everybody. Legit, I am. We're like, YouTube loves you. They do. I'm like, yes. I'm fumble. Guys, please subscribe, and thank you guys so much. If you do subscribe. Sorry. And that, if you can't find me, then just go up here and just put Ponicle and my videos will show up. What the fuck? It's not my videos. Okay. Like, click on any of them. Yeah, oh, her. I remember that chick. Oof. She made me so mad. Oh, she's lucky. She's lucky she's blocked me. If she didn't, I would scare her little fucking ass for scaring me. Oh, by the way, subscribe to her. She's amazing. She's super sweet, super nice. So subscribe to her channel. So if you do that, click on my name and subscribe. Just click that subscribe button. Sorry if you don't want to show it because I am there. Just click on the subscribe button. I like you want. Yeah, I do. There's like a lot. Yeah, I do. Okay. I do have a rare trade art book. It's just, you know, I have been a while and I haven't updated it yet because, you know, I had a lot of stuff to do, so. Okay. So far, so good, I guess. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, basically this is gonna be weird shit. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay. There we go. People say hi. Yeah. Awesomeness. I hate this. This is glitch that can happen. One day or another, I'm gonna. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just bored. And guys, I'm giving out shoutouts to I really missed him. Shout out to him. I still feel bad. I broke up with him because of fucking rumors. I'm very very sorry for that. And shout out to Smokey here. Shout out to him. He is actually one of my best friends. Well, one of my guys' best friend, but he hasn't been on MSP for a year now, and I really really miss him, and it sucks that he stopped coming on MSP. It really does. Blackboys will not know what to do without him. And shout out to App Boys too. See right here, guys. She is so scam free. I don't know what those people are talking about. I saw her guest book. She's not mean. She is actually sweet. And yes, I'm defending her because she is so sweet, so nice, so kind. She does not, and I really really mean it. She does not deserve that. She deserves respect. I have two of these, so here you go, sweetie. I have legit two of those. Legit. This girl, she's turning me this hair, but I don't know what she wants. And like she comes on sometimes, but I still don't know what she wants. It's like I'm crazy. I'm going crazy. Okay, girl, I just got that. Okay. Okay, yeah, wow. I actually want this video kind of to be long, but yet, at least we saw a trade. I don't know if she's gonna accept or not, because it is a Deepak shoes. She has no Deepak, and I kind of feel bad because she needs to. This girl is actually need to accept this trade, because she's trading me her sweetie. I love those type of shirts, like type of red shirts. For my rose, you know that Samantha had. I still don't know who she is. I heard stories about her. I heard I've seen videos about her, but I don't know her. I want to, but I don't know her. So I'm still confused. Like all I know that Samantha was the first one, and that some rumor says that she was hacked by Pixie Star or replaced. I don't know the full story yet, so you guys please tell me in the comments who is Samantha, what is about her. We are back. I gave her a Deepak shoes, so I'm also gonna give her a Deepak dress. Just don't know which one yet, or a skirt. It's okay. I feel bad that she doesn't have Deepak no more, so I give her Deepak shoes. So I'm gonna also give her probably a